I figured I would actually react to a video that I just now saw I haven't even seen. Like seriously, this released 3 weeks ago and I still haven't seen it. So yeah, we were gonna react to it. One moment. I'm gonna have to pitch the green screen later, cause she keeps jumping on it.
Hey, Power! Open up! Power!
What do you want, peasant? Can't you see I'm watching the TV?
Bitch, that's a picture frame!
Okay, so why are you here?
You know why we here. Where's your
I have
rent
no idea
money?
what
We're
that
tired of you mooching off us.
And I said that I will give you your money tomorrow.
What did you just say?
I'll get your rent money tomorrow, so you gotta hang tight till tomorrow. I meant tomorrow.
You told us that the day before! Power, you need to leave. I'm tired of you sticking up the bathroom.
Why you so mad about that? I know you humans be doo-dooing everywhere. Unlike some of you people. I'm talking about you, motherfucker. I always flush.
No, you don't! Look, Power, you have to go. You keep leaving your undies everywhere too, bro.
God! What the fuck? He just left.
Anyway, I'll pay you tomorrow.
Oh, you will pay us tomorrow?
Tomorrow for sure. Now get the fuck out of here, human! I'm just trying to hop on my totally real PS5.
Bitch, that's a GameCube!
Foolish boy. Keep talking that shit and I'll hit you with my period hammer.
Wait, you what?
I need my butt hammer.
Yeah, you better correct yourself. Okay, we'll be expecting your rent money tomorrow. If you don't have it, we're selling your cat to a Chinese restaurant.
I'd like to see you try.
Man, fuck you, you're a bitch. I broke character.
Fuck for wall.
Hey, Power! Rent! Hey! Rent, Power! Rent! Power!
What do you want, human? I'm not playing my PS5.
Power! Do you have your rent money?
Yeah, not bad.
Where's your cat at?
Slimy bitch!
You said you'll pay up today! Do you even have a job?
Yes, I'm the demon hunter. I just got laid off.
Oh, I'm tired of you always lying to us and mooching off us!
Fuck you, black man.
You're dirty! You don't clean up after yourself! You barely bathe! You don't eat your clean vegetables! Billy! Billy!
I don't even know why you're tripping, dog. Like, come on, I don't smell that bad.
God! How does he keep getting here? I don't understand. Like, what the fuck, dude?
Bark for me, Juicy.
Oh hell no! They nerfed you in the anime, bitch!
Wow, that's a great argument.
Don't you fucking say it.
However,
Fucking stop!
my ass.
Oh my goodness! Ah!
What the heck was that? Okay, the last part of that, literally, oh my god. I have no idea what Power is, or some of the anime. I actually have been out of the anime for like a while. I've been watching nothing but like 90s sitcoms and then like Korean dramas, so yeah. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace out.